This is going to blow your mind. Your stomach has a lot to say, and not just about food. So listen carefully. Here's the thing. That rumbling in your stomach, or borborygmi if you want to sound fancy, happens because of the gas and food moving through your digestive tract. It's like a party in your tummy, and everyone's invited. When you feel hungry, your brain sends a message to your stomach and intestines to start the process of digestion. Even if there's no food in there, your muscles are still moving and grooving, which causes those rumbles and noises. And you know what? It's completely normal. So next time your stomach starts talking, you can tell your friends it's just your body's way of having a party. Stay curious, keep thinking, and remember, every rumble has a story. Thanks for watching.